President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. says a significant volume of natural gas has been discovered some 5 kilometers east of the existing Malampaya field. This is the first time in over a decade that a major natural gas discovery has been made in the country. The new reservoir, called Malampaya East 1 or May 1, is estimated to contain 98 billion cubic feet of gas.
Katumbas nito ang halos 14 na bilyong kilowatt-hour ng kuryente sa isang taon. Ibig sabihin, makakapag-supply ito ng kuryente sa mahigit 5.7 milyong kabahayan, 9,500 na gusali o halos 200,000 paaralan sa loob ng isang taon.
Initial tests show the new reservoir is comparable to the existing Malampaya wells in terms of productivity. In 2023, Marcos signed a renewal agreement extending the production contract for the Malampaya natural gas block to 2039.
This additional resource can help support the government's efforts for the stabilization of our power supply.